Yes,
Okay.
go ahead.
So how have you guys been doing on this assignment so far?
Looks terrible.
It was kind of terrible. I spent a lot of time on this one just trying to get it to work.
Yeah,
The-
I'm having a hard time getting Tomcat to find my index file.
Yeah. So maybe I'll be able to help with that. Give me a second here. So I'll go over real quick some of the issues I had getting everything set up. So far, what I've got is just based on the example code. I rewrote everything and put it into my own project, but it is working. The issue I ran into where Tomcat won't see the index.jsp is because you have to create a servlet out of this source code file or directory. So you'll come in here and create a new servlet. So what that'll do is it'll actually create that separate web folder. And that's where you'll need to put that index.jsp.
Oh, really?
And when you create the servlet, it I believe creates a, I don't know if it's an XML, I'm not sure, but there's a link between your class file and the HTML, and everything's set up to work together.
Okay, so you got to get Tomcat running
Mhm.
in IntelliJ first.
Yeah.
And then create the servlet
Yep.
in the web folder, or when you
But-
create the servlet, it creates that web folder.
When you create the servlet, it creates that web folder.
And then you put the index file in that web folder.
Yes. So
Mhm.
notice how down here I have this whole separate pane.
Yeah.
That appeared when I created a servlet.
Oh.
I'll be honest, this is really confusing to me still. So when I was preparing to talk about this tonight, I still feel really ill prepared because this is new territory for me, big time.
You're sounding good.
So is everybody able to get Java Enterprise Edition set up and Tomcat set up?
That's as far as I got.
Okay.
And I tried creating the servlet, but I think I did it in the wrong order. I made the servlet and then I set up Tomcat, and it's all, I think I have it all weird.
Well, that should be okay. As long as you created a servlet and you have this stuff down here, you should be good. Tomcat really just matters when you come into your run and debug configurations. You'll come down here, Tomcat server. Don't worry where it says Enterprise Edition. We're not using that. And you'll just come in here and configure it and set it up in here. And then what you'll do is you'll create a configuration after you get everything set up, all your ports and everything that it's running on. And
oh wait, Samuel, can you go back to that?
Yeah.
The configurations. Your URL there is HTTP localhost 88. Did you have to add the servlet _war _exploded, or was it already like that?
No, that was done when I created an artifact. I forgot to mention that.
Oh.
So you got to create an artifact.
Okay.
So you'll come up here to project structure, over under artifacts. And what you need is a web application exploded from modules.
Okay, I haven't done
this
that at all.
artifact is going to be your, it's like a jar, but it's not a jar. But this is the artifact that Tomcat is hosting. At least that's what I understand.
Okay.
Because you could turn it into a jar, but that wouldn't really work for a web application because you have the HTML component and all that. So you want an exploded web application from modules, and that'll select your project basically here.
Oh, okay.
And then that'll just create a new one. It'll look something like this.
Okay.
And
I definitely did not do that part.
okay. So if you want, after we're done, I can help you through that, or we can check it out and see what's up with it. But
Sweet.
I'll get back to this real quick. It's actually really, really simple. Once the configuration's done, there's just a post and a get method. All it is processing the input and then changing the HTML. You got a print writer. All it does is set some HTML in there. I still have the template text in here. I haven't changed anything or added any special features, so still pretty basic. But there's not a lot to this. It's actually very simple. The hardest part is getting Tomcat set up, getting Java Enterprise Edition set up, and then just putting everything where it belongs. So main HTML, again, same as the example code, and then index, also basically the same. So, and IntelliJ is actually pretty cool. You can come in here and it'll skeletonize most of these files for you. So if I were over here under web and I wanted to create a new JSP file or a new HTML file or style sheet, it sets most of that up for you. It's gets you the formatting and any required stuff in there ready to go. So it's a pretty nice IDE. You guys have any questions so far? I know this is a little messy.
No. Oh, it's very helpful, though.
Yeah. All good.
Yeah, man, you've answered a lot of my questions already.
Well, awesome. I know that wasn't exactly it. This is how this works or blah, blah, blah. I'm still trying to figure out a lot of that myself, but I got it running and it just
Can we
took a
see it
lot of
run?
trial and error. Yeah, yeah. Hey, give it a second here.
Nice. Just like in the video. Perfect.
Yep. So everything's working.
Where are you
That's
storing this form? Where are you
storing which
storing?
one? So this, I'll go back here.
Oh, okay, okay.
This is the index.jsp. All this link does is just link to that main.html that's over here. And then what happens is you'll put in whatever you want in here, hit the submit button in the form. Then it comes over here and runs through all of this. It'll post this back to the
Okay.
HTML document, and then your document's updated.
Okay.
Have any of you guys taken 365 yet?
No.
I think it's an elective.
365 software, which is C#.
Yep,
This is the
it's
course.
C# and .NET development.
Okay, I took this class last semester.
Yeah, they do something similar with .NET web applications. It works almost the same way, it seems like, and I almost like this easier. It seems like this is easier to implement, but
Sweet,
any
dude.
other questions, guys?
Nope, that's great.
All right, I will jump off of here for now if I can figure out how. I keep hiding my controls.
Stop share down at the bottom.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I guess it's my turn. Let me share my screen. Can you guys see that?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so today I'm going to review the use case document. So I made a simple one. And basically a use case is it's like a use case document is just like a simple, it's like a project, I guess, that I believe it has to get approved, and then gets approved, you go ahead and you build what you share. So for this little example, I didn't put too much detail to it, but there's a use case right here. And in this example, we're gonna add a form to the website. And then there's the actors, right? The people who are gonna be affected is the website visitors and customer service. And here's the summary, right? In the summary, you will explain a little bit about what you want to do. Right here is to add a form to the website where visitors can input their name, email, and a message. Right, and this is like a little goal right here. This in turn will lead to more customers. And then you can add like preconditions or like post conditions. And a precondition will, a visitor submits the form, and then a description of what's gonna happen. For example, like a little description of what's happening. Well, first, a customer, they like visit a website. The customer wants more information. The customer inputs their name, email, message, and submits it. Then the system will forward the form to customer service, and then customer service reads the message, and then they follow up. Right, and this is like the flow, how everything works, I believe. Yeah, so like the website visitor inputs their name, email, and the message. The system forwards the name, email, and message to customer service. And then the post condition is either they gain a customer or they do not. And well, the goal is to gain more customers from the website. So yeah, so this is like a simple use case where we want to add a form to the website. And something important about the user case document is that any person should be able to understand what's going on. They shouldn't have any big technical terms, because usually there's like a businessman or someone who's going to review it, who's going to approve it or who's not going to approve it. And so yeah, so that's basically a user case document. It could be anything. It could be like you're going to add a small feature in a Java application or something like that. Also, you can add like different scenarios. For example, this is like the scenario that I put up. There could be like scenarios where it fails, like system failures or something, and how to fix it, and so forth. But yeah, this is my little review, and yeah. Any of you have any questions?
No, that was good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. The use case doesn't have to explain what everything is doing, but it has to be like simple enough for everyone to understand. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys.
Awesome. Thank you.
All right. Yes, thank you.
All right.
Okay, we good?
Okay.
Yeah.
So Omar is recording this, right?
Carlos is recording.
Or
Carlos.
Carlos is. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'll put him down as turning it in then.
All right, sounds good.
You have any other questions?
I'm good. I'm good for now.
Yeah, I don't think so. Except maybe Samuel, can you can we do a Zoom and see if you can help me set up that artifact?
Yeah, yeah. If you want to share your screen now, or we can do it another way. However you want to do it, we can get you going.
Well, I know Mitch has a meeting in like a couple minutes, so if we want to do something.
Yeah,
to-
I can just
that
drop
you can
off.
go. Oh, okay. Yeah, you guys want to do it that way. Carlos and Omar, you guys interested in seeing that?
Yes.
I have to go do some things, but if you guys could, maybe,
Put it in the recording?
yeah, I guess, and then I could go back to it.
Okay.
Yeah, I have to go
Sounds
get
cool.
some things done.
All right. So
Yeah,
can
well,
you guys?
I'll see you guys later then.
Yep. See you later.
Yeah,
Hey, thanks, guys. See ya.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Omar.
All right. Let's get rid of this. Can you guys see this?
Yes.
Okay. Hey Samuel, how do you hide the annoying thing up at the top?
The three little dots and hide floating. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hide floating meetings control. How do you get it back? Escape. Nice. Okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Perfect. Thank you.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So let me see. Let me look at my configuration here real quick. So this isn't the, is this not the right place to do that artifact?
That looks like it is.
You put in your project structure though. I'm going to remove this. I don't know if I need that.
Sure,
So let's
sure.
get rid of that. Wait, let me look at that again. See, I don't have the exploded. I only have server test underscore war.
So go into your project structure
Yeah,
settings
let's
again,
do that.
and we'll make a new
File,
one.
project structure, artifacts, right?
So there's your exploded. So you did
Okay.
make one.
I did?
Yeah, that looks like it. That should do it.
Huh.
So
it's
go ahead
connected.
and that on the right hand column, I
Over here?
put that in there. I don't know if it makes a difference or not. Honestly don't know what that is, but double click it and
Oh,
it
bring
adds
it over here.
Yeah, I don't know if it makes a difference or not. But
Do I
you
want to
should
put
be-
this over there? Oh, that
no,
can't go
that
over
won't
there.
go over.
That won't go over there.
Yeah,
Okay.
so you should be done there.
Okay, so
Go
hit
back to your
apply.
Tomcat configuration.
Go to my Tomcat configuration.
Go to deployment.
Deployment.
It's that tab up at the top.
Oh, right. Okay.
Deploy that at the start. Before launch, you need to make sure you build a fresh one. So click the plus
Plus
and then build artifacts.
build artifacts. Exploded.
Yep. And actually, that test server war, get rid of that one. You need the exploded one. So
Oh.
up top in the top box.
In the top box.
Yeah, right here. So, yeah, you're in the right area. So that area, hit the
Up
minus.
here?
Yeah, so hit the minus there.
Oh,
Now
okay. Add an
your
okay.
artifact
Wait,
and your
hold on.
exploded.
Is that the right one? Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
Artifacts exploded.
Exploded.
Okay. And hit apply.
Yep. And you should be good there.
It should do
Now,
something.
your index.jsp,
Yes.
need to move that down under the web column.
It's there though,
Okay.
right?
Pull it out of the web INF then.
Put it in
'cause
the
that
web
might
app.
be- Yeah,
How do I do that?
that's a good question.
Yeah, it is. Maybe
That's
I'll just
one thing I don't like about IntelliJ is its file
Yeah,
management sucks.
yeah. Once it's there, man.
So show an
You know,
explorer.
I'll do another one. I'll just make
There you go.
another one.
Yeah.
I'll just make another one. and then I'll just, I didn't even add anything in the body, and it just automatically created. Whoa. But it just made 2 though. It put it in the same place.
No, it's not actually in the same
Oh,
place.
it's not. Okay. Okay. Cool. All right. So should I try it?
Yep. Go ahead.
Oh, it looks like I have
stop.
Tomcat running already.
Yeah. Stop it now, and then
Okay.
make sure. Yeah. Should work now.
Okay. Let's try it. Okay. What's it doing? Oh, here we go.
It's still going. Yeah.
Okay. Deploy. It did it. Nice. Okay. This is what I was getting before.
Yep.
It
Because
wasn't
it couldn't
finding it.
find any index file.
Yeah, nice. Okay. So could I technically have it build the artifact to go directly? No, because it's looking for an index dot whatever, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is looking for an index.
So I could make this whole login thing part of the index, or I could just link it like he did. I think I just want to go for the functionality that he did first, and then mess around.
Yeah, you could totally make the login.html just the index and be done with it.
Right, right. Sweet, bro. Thanks. That helps a lot. I was like, that is confusing. I feel like the instructions in IntelliJ on how to do that, any like tutorial I could find was not good at that.
Well, when you started the project, made the new project, did you set it up as a web application or just a standard Java application? Because I didn't have the option, the same options he showed in the video.
Yeah, no, I definitely didn't have that. This is what I did. I went new, I went project, and then I did Java Enterprise.
Yeah,
here.
that's all I had too. None of that.
Java.
Select your Java EE version.
No.
Yeah.
But then I went and I hit full platform here, and I added all that. I didn't add any of the implementations. I don't know if I should.
Okay, I didn't get that far, so maybe that's my problem. But I was able to add the stuff in manually.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So.
And you're just working, so I wouldn't mess with it. And then I just put in all my stuff, and that's what I have. And it made this pom.xml file.
Yep.
And I have no idea what any of this means. But it's building dependencies for me and
your dependencies.
Yeah, which seems pretty cool. I like that it does it all for me. But so that's where that's at. So okay, so now I got this. So if I go to my so I don't want it in the web INF. I want it in the web app.
Yep.
So I should get rid of this.
Yep.
Okay. So if I go to, I don't want this. If I just go to here and then paste that there, and then let's stop it and then run it. And then it should work the way the guy made it.
Okay.
So it's not connected.
So.
Oh, it's because I didn't change the thing.
That's correct.
The problem. It's this here. Page context request / servlet. What did I make mine? Where is that?
So yeah, under Java there.
It's the servlet.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. Stop that. Let's try that.
Resources not directly available.
Well, that's progress. Definitely.
So if you look in the second method on your servlet class.
Okay. It did the get. It didn't do it. It didn't go to the post.
Yep.
Why though? Well, I'll have to fool around with that and see why.
I had it do that to me, and I can't remember what I did to fix it.
But it was something in the post method.
I don't remember, honestly. It was something somewhere in my project.
Yeah. Well, I'll fool around with it. Man, you've already helped out a ton. I appreciate it.
Well, yeah, let me know if you need anything else.
Sweet. Thanks, buddy. All right.
Yeah.
Talk to
I
you
gotta
guys
jump off.
later. Oh, wait. What happened? Wait. Okay. Yeah. Sure. There we go.
There we go.
All right. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
All right. Talk to you later.
Yep. Bye. Bye, Carlos.
Bye.